UCB is a very renowned institution, and our strength, I think, really lies in our focus on students getting the right level of support while they're here. More importantly, the skills they need, not only for the jobs but for life. All of our teaching team is experienced in the industry, so they're able to bring real life experiences within the classroom.
So our course is really heavily focused on going beyond the classroom, and we have things like our award-winning restaurant, which you'll get to gain practical experience in. We also have a hot simulation game, which is all about hotel management.
We very often invite the industry professionals to come within our classroom as guest speakers, so students can hear what they are getting taught in the classroom by us from the people who work in the industry. By being a student at UCB, our students automatically get membership of Institute of Hospitality, which is a great resource. So they can get access to a lot of research which takes place in the industry. IOH also very often organizes a lot of networking events and employability events across the country.
So as part of the foundation degree programme and the BA degree programme, our students have the opportunity to go on a year-long placement in industry. And in the past, students have taken up placements across the globe. So we've had students go and work at hotels and resorts in the US, across different parts of Europe. We've even had students in the past go and work for the Royal Household. So our graduates have gone into a range of managerial roles upon completion of their course. This might be hotel management, this might be in the travel and tourism sector. We've even had students go into events and festival management as well, or worked at things like conferences and exhibition centres. And they don't just necessarily stay in hospitality management or restaurant management. They may go into other areas such as marketing, human resources, all of which they'll have developed the right skills and qualities for on the course.